Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to add manual video chapters in YouTube Studio. First of all, list your timestamps and chapter titles in the video's description. And you could go ahead to Claude if you want to outsource, right? And ask Claude to write for you a YouTube description. So here's an example for timestamps, right? The first minute intro, after 50 seconds, story and setting, 3:20, Nicolas Cage's performance, the 6-minute, style versus substance, 8th minute, black and white or color, 10th minute, final verdict, right? And you're gonna copy a similar description, for example. So let's say I'm gonna copy this one and go ahead to your YouTube channel, right? All you gotta do is just paste the YouTube description or paste the Claude generated YouTube description in your videos YouTube description. So I'm gonna go ahead to my videos and select a video, hit the three dots, press edit, the pop-up window. Moving on, I'm gonna hit show more, description, and then paste your timestamps with it, right? Your generated or your Claude's generated timestamps in your YouTube description, and automatically they will set it accordingly, right? Depending on how much time you recorded this video, they will basically show something similar to this afterwards. Like, you don't need to do anything. You just add the Claude generated prompt and you'll see something like this, right? The intro, you see a little line here. This is the first part, or the chapters, you can call it. So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video. Subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.